It's day 37 and you'd think we were done once the foundations were in, but there's a lot that happens before the concrete slab can get poured. First up, it's laying the sub base. This layer of crushed stone is compacted to create a strong level surface that will support the entire slab. Without it, you risk sinking, cracks, and uneven floors down the line. At the same time, pipe buckles going in for sewage and rainwater, all carefully placed to line up with future bathrooms and gutters. Getting their positioning right is really key before they're locked in under the concrete. Of course, not everything went to plan. A few holes weren't exactly where they needed to be, which meant extra cuts and tweaks on site. It was all fixable, but it does go to show how tight the margins are at this stage. To make sure everything was properly sealed, we did a full drainage air test. The pressure held well above the required 70 mark, giving us peace of mind before the slab goes in. 2 days later, the final prep kicked off. One more layer of gravel was compacted down, this time the exact surface that the concrete will sit on. We also got the water mains and electrical cables run through, ticking off more of the big checklist items.
So in terms of layers, underneath this is subsoil, then hardcore. Well, there's going to be membrane on top of this, which keeps it like waterproof, then steel mesh, then concrete, then insulation, then your underfloor heating pipes, and then your heating screed. And that's going to take it to this floor level.
It's taken weeks of digging, measuring, and checking, but we are finally ready to pour the concrete slab. Join us tomorrow as we check out room sizes for the very first time. Stick around, it's about to get really exciting.